This video shows how to find the slope of a line directly from its graph. Reading slope visually is a foundational skill for algebra, physics, and any subject involving rates of change. You'll learn to pick two clear points, count rise over run, and interpret what the slope value means. We'll plot the 2 points on a graph. Then we'll see slope as the ratio of vertical change, called rise, to horizontal change, called run. Let's work through it on the diagram. What does slope really mean? It's not just a formula. It tells you how steep a line climbs. Many students memorize y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But without a picture, the number feels meaningless. Goal: find the slope between 2 points and see what it means on the graph. Step 1. Slope equals rise over run. Connect points A and B with a straight line. The run is the horizontal change. From x equals 1 to x equals 4, that's 3. The rise is the vertical change. From y equals 2 to y equals 8, that's 6. Now divide rise by run to get the slope. Step 2. Apply the slope formula. Slope equals rise over run, which is 6 over 3. The slope is 2. For every one step right, the line goes up 2. That's what slope means. A steeper climb gives a bigger number. Whenever you have 2 points on a line, this pattern finds the slope. Picture a right triangle between the points. The vertical leg is rise. The horizontal leg is run. Slope equals the change in y divided by the change in x. A bigger slope means a steeper line.